Another fantastic day at the ranch. They said storms were coming, and we decided what a better excuse to go out and try to do some RC. So we have umbrella hats, and some of us have rain jackets. Our RCs are prepared. It's gonna be a fantastic day. Even hot rods here. Getting ready to go hit the ranch. Why don't you join us? It'll be a good day. All right, so
My bad.
trailing out, getting ready to go. Umbrella hats, a little bit of rain gear. Ow! I just got hit by a truck and flipped over. Oh, water crossing number 1. We pretty much made it to the trailhead. Down there, crawl up here, a little bit of this. We're gonna head that way.
Except for Charlie. Park it right on the skid plate. Supposed to go to the high side or supposed to go to the low side?
Well, people have done the Mary version. Yeah, and they've actually hugged the whole thing. But it's so slick, dude, we're gonna be in a lot of
That one reverse killed it right there. We should have just stayed going forward.
This is bump jump paradise right now, dude. There's like no other way around it. This is gonna be a tough day of wheeling. Oh, he's got Nary.
It's a baby fern.
It's a little tiny fern.
It's a little fern.
It's a scale fern. Scale fern.
Oh, you're good. My bad.
That is rough go. So that's the nail out there. You see what I mean about like when this is dry, you fall.
Yeah. I'm on that ledge.
Yeah, come down around. You pull off and you just keep moving because this is a very long track.
Oh, you're a wincher. Yeah, a little winch.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Charlie. This is the line I just decided. Well, punch it, Charlie.
Oh, you got it.
Got it. Nice.
Pro driver. Oh, Stickenheiser.
Well, I mean, they're all right here. Like,
Whoa, dude. There's like unlimited places to grow. And there's Tank. Hi, Tank. Like everywhere you look, there's these sweet little. The ranch.
Nick Dan went cut up his boggers off his butt truck for his scaler. He's like, is it a Nick drum up? He's like, when you get some, dude, it's like, oh, we got the back panel.
So many sweet outcroppings. Oh, and here comes the rains. Get the umbrella hat out. Got the umbrella hat out. Nerds. It looks like the rain is kicking in. Umbrella hats are out. Whoa. We almost got Mary Poppins by my umbrella hat getting taken by the wind. I'm gonna try to get up to the top of the hill, I think. The trick here is to protect the radio under the umbrella hat in the rain. The truck's fine, as we've seen many times. Like this. It's definitely raining. The radio is getting a little bit moist. This is ideal RC conditions. My feet are just getting dripped on, but they're still dry. I've determined at least, that these guys are even crazier than I am. They're gonna carry on with the scaling, and I think I'm going back to maybe where at least I can sit inside the car, because it doesn't look like this rain is gonna stop. Look at that, look at that. You see that, camera? You see that? Look. But this is some hardcore nerding, I will say that. I'm going, whoa, whoa, I almost ate it.
dude, that shit, this is nasty, dude.
It's very wet.
This is the hardest shit to drive ever.
This is the kind of rock that gets more slippery instead of clean. Alright, so we're gonna try to long distance crawl all the way down to the tree. That way. I think we made it through the... There's a lot of really steep rocks down there. Yeah, I'm trying to make it all the way down to the tree. I think once I get past this next valley, I'm home free. Oh, there's a rock right there. That's it? Turn down. Turn the other way. No? Forward? Reverse? Nothing? Way down there. Behind the tree? Ooh, I made it. Looked like it hit a little bump right there. This is where we get down to the road. Oh, oh, drops down. All right, we made it down to the road. Home free.
You idiots! I guess you could do that with your own car.
Oh, I wasn't watching where I was going. And I drove onto that big rock. Dude, this is a pretty awesome zone right here. It's Tom saying. Whoa. See if I can drive myself out of here.
Yeah!
Let's try that again.
Maybe just use that as your trailer. Oh,
Oh, I didn't do the
do
wheelie.
it from this way. Do it from this
From
way.
the other direction?
I don't know. That might be kind of steep. That was cool.
Oh, that was sick.
That's trash. It's too bad that wasn't WD-40.